guys, Funho here from We Coach Crypto. I'm joined today with Asi, and this is Technical Thursday. And we will speak to you guys today about the marketplace, give you a good understanding of the technical analysis. So we're going to be talking about Ethereum and Cardano and some developments that was as well. How are you doing today, Asi?
I'm good. I think you need to do it again because it was pretty low, the volume.
Was it?
Okay. Yeah. You need to do it from you need to be close when you do it.
How's that?
Now it's perfect.
Right. Okay. I'll start that bit again. Okay.
All right.
Hey guys, Funho here from We Coach Crypto. I'm joined today with Asi, and this is Technical Thursday. And we're going to be looking at Bitcoin and Bitcoin's dominance and Ethereum and Cardano, and just looking at the market as a whole to give you guys that understanding. So how are you doing today, Asi? Keeping well?
Yeah, man. How are you?
Yeah, I'm really good, thank you. Really good. And I will hand it over to you, brother, so you can start showing people exactly what is going on in this marketplace.
All right, man. Well, as you all know, guys, we hit 50K for Bitcoin. Look at this. This is our daily chart. You can see the 50K area is very strong resistance. We cannot close any daily candle above 50K, okay? You can see that clear area of resistance here. And
yeah,
we could pull back from here. We definitely could pull back from here. And as you can see, we also broke a little bit of this upward trend line. You can see this trend line was holding support. That was the bottom, higher low. And now we just broke the trend line. And let's see what's going to happen. It could roll over, and it could also consolidate, and create another base here and continue from here. But there is a possibility of a pullback on the table. If you're looking on the RSI here, we get in bearish divergence. 1 second, show you the bearish divergence. You see markets making higher highs and momentum indicator RSI making lower highs. And also it broke the little uptrend here. You can see here, this broke bearish here. You can see the breakout, Funho?
Yeah, I see that. So just for people that don't quite understand how this RSI works, why is this so important?
Oh, this is a momentum indicator, and usually the RSI precedes the price. So if the RSI doing a bearish divergence on the daily, and it starts to make a lower low, you can see here it's making lower highs and lower low now. So there is a good possibility we're gonna start a little downtrend for Bitcoin in the coming days or week or two.
I'm with you.
Yeah, we need to reverse the RSI. The RSI need to break above this high, while the price action make a higher high to really confirm we're continuing the bullish trend.
I get you. I'm with you.
And this is one indication, the RSI, and you also can see on the stochastic RSI, we're getting the same idea of bearish divergence. You can see higher highs while the market making lower highs, the RSI, sorry. And you can see the momentum crossed again to the cross bearish here. Okay, so my buy signal for start to accumulate Bitcoin and some altcoins is when Bitcoin will go down here on the RSI and have a cross, okay, like this one. You can see a bullish cross. This will be the perfect buying opportunity for me to start scale in to Bitcoin and altcoins.
So it's a pretty good opportunity potentially if it does drop down for us to accumulate more.
This is gonna be the best opportunity to buy crypto, in my opinion. But you need to take the risk that the responsibility that it could also be a dead cat. We could also still be in a bear market. A lot of people talking about a bear market, and the price of Bitcoin will go down. But I'm leaning more on the bullish territories, that we are in a bullish market and every dip should be bought aggressively.
Without a doubt, completely agree with you. So, I mean, realistically, looking at where this could potentially drop down to, I mean, what I know you haven't got a crystal ball, but what kind of percentage drop could we be looking at here?
Okay, so a retest of the prior resistance of the range. You remember we had this range.
Yeah.
So a drop to 40K will be pretty natural in my opinion. So that's another 10%, 10,
okay,
maybe a little bit more, 14% from where we are. And we can also go even deeper. In a bull market, the shakeouts are very aggressive and they want to scare people.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, so we can go to 37 even, in my opinion. Even below that, but we don't want to go to, we don't want to go below 37 because that will be a little bit concerning.
Yeah, I'm with you. So I mean, in terms of how you would set yourself up as someone that's got some liquidity on the sideline that wants to take advantage of this potential pullback, and like you said, that sort of next 10 to 14% drop is probably quite likely to happen. But I mean, is that the sort of levels that you'd be thinking about starting to purchase in at to accumulate, or are we looking at something lower?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna start accumulate around between 41, 42 to 38. This is like my golden area, for buy zone.
I'm with you. Perfect. So there's quite a substantial percentage difference there for people that are obviously looking to get into the market or add more to their current positions. So there's some great opportunities potentially ahead. And the other thing to highlight as well, Asi, is this happens a lot. This is normal in this crypto space, isn't it, to be seeing these kind of pullbacks? I mean, we see lots of them every year, but what tends to happen is the market goes up a lot more than what it comes down. And it's about how you position yourself at those moments so that you can really compound and grow your wealth.
Yeah, man, absolutely. Another thing I want to share with our audience here, if you go on the monthly in last September, okay, you can see this was in September. Okay, the price of Bitcoin dropped to let's see what's the percentage. In September, it dropped 20%. In the last September, the drop was actually happening in the beginning of September, like in the first day. I remember the day. And if you look on the 2017 bull market, okay, you can see the 2017 bull market since like March 17 all the way to the top, like the last 9 months, we had only one big pullback, and it happened in September. Okay, you can see in September 2017, Bitcoin dropped 37%, and then it went to the blow off top parabolic pump all the way from 2,900 to 20K. So that was around 600%. So yeah, September can be a massive deep buying opportunity if we're gonna get something like that or like that. Man, yeah, I'm loading up.
That would be amazing.
Yeah,
I mean, this is the thing as well. I mean, history doesn't always exactly repeat itself, but it definitely rhymes. And you go back year after year and look at some of the performances during certain months that are extremely bullish for the crypto space. And, I just love it. I'm rubbing my hands together when we have these days where the market's pulling back, because you're buying at a discount and the likelihood is that the price is going to go way higher. I mean, look how many times Bitcoin has gone parabolic, and people seem to think that they've missed the boat and the opportunities passed by. If you guys are not sure about anything at all, ask questions, put them in the comments. We always answer the questions. And, if you want to find out more about how to trade these markets, how Asi's showing you, you can join our course. It's fantastic. There's over 26 different video walkthroughs there that will show you exactly how to navigate this marketplace and understand how to actually trade like a pro. And we protect you too. We're not sitting here saying that it's all win, 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 because it's not. as you can see, the market's starting to pull back right now. But it's how you position yourself when the market's pulling back and how you take advantage of those opportunities with the right knowledge and guidance and support that allows you to really make serious money in this marketplace. And what's great about what we do as well is we actually put the trades in there that we're doing. So if you want to copy our trades, they're there for you. You will know exactly when to buy. You'll know when to sell. If the market's looking like it's retracting, we jump over to cash and sit in a stable coin. We're there to hold your hand through this entire journey. If you're a beginner, I mean, your grandmother could do this. That's how easy we've made it for people.
The crypto, you need to know what you're doing. It's not a kindergarten. You need to know what you're doing before you start buying and selling, because there is a lot of money on the hand. It's not a casino.
For sure, completely agree. So where are we at the moment? You're looking at the dollar.
Yeah, this is Bitcoin versus dollar here. So just to what we are expecting, we're expecting a retest of the prior resistance, the prior range we've been trading. You can see we jumped into the next range between 40 to 50. So maybe we're going to see a retest and then consolidation, and then a breakout, and that will be the in my opinion the last phase of the crypto bull market. It can take a couple of months, and then we're going to see the market up. But anyway, let's see what's going to happen. Let's look on the Bitcoin dominance. You want to look on the Bitcoin dominance a little bit?
Yeah, definitely.
So the dominance is now, you can see, we had a very nice altcoin run all across the board. Gaming coins, Solana, ADA, a lot of great coins pumping on this pullback of the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, that was since end of July, basically all August. All right, all the month of August we had a very nice altcoin rally, but now you can see the dominance is basing out here around 44%, and she looked like she ready to bounce. Okay, it could bounce. Okay, I'm not saying it will, because it's very hard to predict what's going to happen. But you can see stochastic RSI on the daily here on the dominance is already going up like hell. So I think she's gonna bounce to the bullish. She's gonna do something like greeny a little bit, a little uptrend, and that will send the altcoins back down. Okay, that send the altcoins down, and usually the green moves of the dominance is pretty much happening while the Bitcoin price is going down. Okay, so you can actually see by the dominance that there is a high probability of a pullback in Bitcoin prices.
Yeah, I see that.
All right, so this is the dominance, very important chart if you trade in altcoins. Ethereum also very important. Let's look on Ethereum. Ethereum is actually holding quite well here above 3K. If it's gonna lose 3K now, that will officially start the major pullback all across the boards in altcoins, because Ethereum is the big daddy of altcoins.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely a good buying opportunity for Ethereum might come if it's gonna go to 2,300, 2,500. That would be a very good buy zone. And let's look on ADA. ADA had a very good run here all the way to $3.
Smashed it, that trade.
Yeah, ADA is very good trade. I'm definitely gonna scoop some on the pullback. Hopefully it will pull back to, I'm eyeing these levels, around 1.18 and 1.5 area, all this zone here for a buy. Yeah, that would be amazing buy opportunity, man. ADA, man, boom. Before another leg to $5 easily. Yeah, man.
Something else just to quickly mention there as well. So September 12th is when Cardano, ADA, have got their smart contracts going live. I mean, do you think that news and that new implementation is going to impact the price?
Yeah, definitely. The question is, how long is the Bitcoin pullback will take? And once Bitcoin find its bottom, I think ADA will start exploding. Hopefully Bitcoin will find its bottom in the next week or two. So you will have another 10 days maybe for the bull run of Cardano, and it can continue running after the event. It's not have to collapse in the event. Obviously, there will be some profit taken on the event if we're gonna get a parabolic run, like always. But let's see what's gonna happen. Bitcoin is the DJ. Bitcoin will decide when Cardano will pump, because only when Bitcoin bottom it can pump.
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm completely with you. So just to give a little bit of insight, Asi, I mean, what do you think is the best thing to be doing right now based on how the marketplace is looking? If you've got liquidity on the sideline, should you be sitting and waiting and seeing where it's going to go? Are we looking at sort of hanging around for a week or two before we make any moves? What do you think?
Yeah, the best idea is just to wait in cash and wait to see if Bitcoin will give us the pullback. Once Bitcoin start reaching these levels, you can start scaling into your favorite altcoins, and obviously keep some cash on the side for maybe it's gonna go deeper. But once it go into the 40K zone area, definitely start buying, definitely start investing, and that will be a very good investing for the next couple of months, in my opinion.
Yeah, so we've covered Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. We've looked at the dominance. We've looked at some of the indicators, the RSI, stochastic. So as I said earlier, guys, look, if you want to learn more about this and start understanding how to trade the marketplace, get in contact with us. We've got a course there. It's very reasonably priced. You can check out our website, wecoachcrypto.com, and you'll see the trading course available on there with the full program, or hit the link in the description. And obviously, as always, guys, if you've taken any form of knowledge from this video, please give us a like, share the video if you think someone else would take advantage from watching it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you are getting future videos. Asi, pleasure as always. Love your knowledge, man. Thank you for coming on today, and look forward to catching up with you guys in the next video on Thursday next week. Take care.
Shit, man, how